I've got the scoop on Amazon's coolest car gadgets for 2025 that you won't find anywhere else. From smart sensors to futuristic lights, let's dive into the top. Hit play and join me. Luxury Napa leather seat covers shine as premium vehicle interior enhancers. They comprise 5 covers crafted from porous Napa leather with high elastic foam padding. The covers are secured using chucks and hooks for stable placement. They are installed by aligning with seat contours and fastening straps holding firm despite movement. Application is intuitive, managed by adjusting touch fasteners on the rear cover. Each cover maintains a sleek profile unobtrusive in the cabin. The flowline design with fine texture stitching adds modern sporty flair while ensuring breathability. The coverage spans front and rear seats with storage pockets for small items. The covers fit 99% of cars, including sedans, SUVs, and pickups supporting airbags and accessories. Nido N300 360-degree dash cam stands out as a comprehensive vehicle surveillance system. It comprises a 4-channel camera unit equipped with adjustable lenses for 360-degree coverage. The system is powered by a 12V car socket integrated with a 64GB SD card for storage. It is installed by mounting on the windshield and connecting to power, remaining stable during motion. Operation is intuitive, managed via an app or voice commands in English. The unit maintains a compact profile unobtrusive without blocking the driver's view. It offers 3 recording modes with 8 LED infrared for night vision, plus G-sensor and loop recording. The coverage spans front, rear, and interior, with GPS and Wi-Fi for tracking and sharing. The dash cam suits cars, SUVs, and trucks with 24-hour parking mode via a hardware kit. Fantic V8 Apex car vacuum emerges as a compact cleaning powerhouse. It comprises a handheld unit driven by an 8,000 RPM brushless motor. The vacuum is equipped with a Type-C charging cable and 10 accessories for versatile use. It is powered by a rechargeable battery charged in 2.5 hours and grips securely during operation. Control is intuitive, managed via a single-touch button for mode and debris emptying. The unit maintains a lightweight 1.1 kW profile, unobtrusive in tight spaces. It delivers 19,000 PSI suction with Eco and Max modes, capturing 95.99% of dust via a HEPA filter. The cleaning range spans car interiors, keyboards, and desks with crevice brush and pet tools. The vacuum suits cars, offices, and homes with a storage bag included. Mockan's folding hitch cargo carrier emerges as a robust vehicle storage solution. It comprises a heavy-duty steel basket coated with a rust-resistant finish. The carrier is secured using a 2-inch hitch receiver with a stabilizer and lock for firm attachment. It is mounted by inserting into the hitch and tightening, remaining stable despite road vibrations. Operation is intuitive, managed by folding or unfolding the 60-20 rack. The basket maintains a sleek profile, unobtrusive when folded. It supports up to 500 lbs, with 6-inch side rails, reflectors, and a license plate holder for safety. The storage spans luggage, camping gear, or materials with a 16 UFT waterproof vinyl bag. The carrier fits SUVs, trucks, and cars with 2-inch receivers, including straps, net, and bag lock. Wash, wax, all waterless. Car Wash emerges as a versatile vehicle cleaning solution. It comprises a sprayable formula crafted from a water-based, eco-friendly blend, free of alcohol and ammonia. The product is applied using a trigger bottle for even distribution. It is sprayed onto wet or dry surfaces and wiped with microfiber towels, adhering securely during use. Application is intuitive, managed by misting and wiping to clean and wax. The formula maintains a low profile, unobtrusive on vehicle surfaces. It gently cleans and leaves a non-stick UV protective coating, enhancing ceramic coatings, waxes, and sealants. The coverage spans cars, boats, RVs, and aircraft, meeting Boeing and Airbus standards. The kit includes 128 O's in 16 NOS bottles, 4 microfiber towels, and a mini bug scrubber pad, suitable for garages or parking lots. Leather and vinyl repair kit shines as a versatile restoration solution. It comprises a repair adhesive compound blended with high-quality bonding agents. The kit is equipped with application tools and color mixing guides for precise repairs. It is applied by spreading the gel onto damaged surfaces, adhering securely to mend flaws. Operation is intuitive, managed through a 5-step process outlined in instructions. The compound maintains a thin profile, unobtrusive, on treated surfaces. It fixes scratches, tears holes, rips, burns, or cracks on leather and vinyl, restoring a like-new finish. The repair range spans car seats, sofas, bags, shoes, and furniture, suitable for artificial or synthetic materials. The kit supports cars, homes, and accessories with free email guides and video tutorials included. Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions. Ceramic spray coating shines as a versatile vehicle protectant. It comprises a liquid formula infused with super hydrophobic SiO2 and synthetic wax polymers. The coating is applied using a trigger spray bottle for even distribution. It is sprayed onto clean, dry exterior surfaces, adhering securely with a microfiber cloth buff. Application is intuitive, managed by misting 1 or 2 sprays per panel. The formula maintains a thin profile, unobtrusive on treated surfaces. It repels water, dirt, and contaminants, enhancing gloss and color depth with a mirror-like shine. The protection spans glass headlights, trim, and wheels lasting up to 6 months. The coating suits cars, trucks, and SUVs featuring a tropical fruity scent. OxBeam 8 gang switch panel stands out as a compact control system. It comprises a single touch panel integrating solid-state relays and fuses. The panel operates on 1224V DC, supporting up to 1200W at 24V. It is mounted using 2 bracket types, ensuring stability in harsh conditions. Operation is intuitive, managed via a touch interface with 60 customizable labels. The unit maintains a sleek profile, unobtrusive on dashboards or consoles. It features automatic dimmable backlighting, adjusting to ambient light, and offers over-voltage thermal and overcurrent protection. The control range spans 8 LED accessories with IP65 waterproofing for durability. The panel suits trucks, boats, ATVs, SUVs, and heavy-duty vehicles with a 2-year warranty. Grozy baby car camera emerges as a cutting-edge backseat monitoring solution. It comprises a compact HD camera unit equipped with a 120-degree and wide-angle lens and night vision. The system is powered by a cigarette lighter power cord for reliable operation. It is installed by securing the camera to the headrest and mounting the monitor with double-sided tape, staying stable on bumpy roads. Operation is intuitive, managed through a plug-and-play interface with real-time display. The camera maintains a sleek profile, unobtrusive in the vehicle's interior. It captures clear images day or night, displaying the entire backseat on the monitor. The monitoring range spans infants in car seats, ensuring safe driving. The camera fits most vehicles with a non-slip mat included for monitor stability. Car seat headrest neck pillow emerges as a supportive in-car comfort accessory. It comprises a dual pillow unit crafted from high-density memory foam with a jacquard knitted fabric cover. The pillow is secured using adjustable straps for stable placement. It is installed by attaching to the car seat headrest, holding firm during drives. Operation is intuitive, managed by positioning for head and neck support. The unit maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive in the vehicle's cabin. Its ergonomic concave design reduces cervical strain, supports leaning sleep, and buffers sudden breaks. The coverage spans the neck and head with breathable, washable covers for all seasons. The pillow fits most car seats, enhancing driver and passenger comfort. Car Air Mattress emerges as a versatile backseat sleeping solution. It comprises a single inflatable bed crafted from thick flocking and premium PVC materials. The mattress is equipped with a 12V DC air pump for rapid setup. It is inflated by connecting the pump to the car's power socket, maintaining stability during use. Operation is intuitive, managed via dual-layer nozzles for fast inflation and deflation. The bed maintains a compact profile, unobtrusive when stored in its carry bag. Its ergonomic shock-absorbing design with anti-drop features supports up to 600 low Bs, accommodating 2-3 people. The coverage spans back seats of sedans, SUVs, MPVs, and trucks, ideal for camping or home use. The mattress includes 2 pillows, functional piers, and a carry bag.